Are you eating healthy, but still not seeing results? You might be missing one key step, knowing exactly how much your body really needs. In this video, I'll show you how to calculate your ideal daily nutrients, proteins, carbs, fats, vitamins, and minerals, so you can fuel your body the right way for energy, weight management, and long-term health. Everyone's body is different. What works for one person may not work for another. That's why understanding your daily nutritional needs based on your age, activity level, and goals is essential. Whether you want to lose fat, build muscle, or simply feel more energized, I'll guide you through how to calculate your macronutrients and micronutrients step by step, using simple formulas anyone can follow. Stay till the end for a free bonus tip, how to adjust your nutrient intake when your fitness goals change. And if you're serious about eating smarter, not harder, hit that subscribe button for weekly science-based nutrition and health tips. Hello, health enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a crucial aspect of well-being, understanding and calculating your ideal daily nutrient intake. This isn't about restrictive diets. It's about empowering you with the knowledge to fuel your body optimally for peak performance and long-term health. Knowing your ideal nutrient intake moves you beyond generic dietary advice. It allows for a personalized approach to nutrition, recognizing that everyone's body and lifestyle are unique. This precision helps prevent deficiencies, avoids excesses, and supports specific health goals, whether it's weight management, muscle gain, or improved energy levels. Generic recommendations often fall short because they don't account for individual variations. Your age, sex, activity level, and even your current health status all play a significant role. A tailored approach ensures your body receives exactly what it needs to thrive. Let's start with the big three. Macronutrients. These are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, which provide the bulk of your energy and building blocks. Calculating your needs for these is the foundation of personalized nutrition. Carbohydrates are your body's preferred fuel. They power your brain, muscles, and organs. The amount you need depends heavily on your activity level. For most active individuals, carbohydrates should make up 45 to 65% of your total daily calories. This range ensures adequate energy without overconsumption. Focus on complex carbohydrates like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy and fiber. To calculate your carbohydrate grams, first determine your total daily calorie needs. Then, multiply that by your desired carbohydrate percentage. Since carbohydrates provide 4 calories per gram, divide the resulting calorie number by 4. Protein is essential for muscle repair, growth, enzyme production, and hormone synthesis. It's vital for everyone, especially those engaging in regular physical activity. A general guideline for protein intake is 0.8 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight for sedentary to moderately active individuals. Athletes or those looking to build muscle may require 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram. To calculate your protein grams, convert your body weight from pounds to kilograms by dividing by 2.2. Then multiply your weight in kilograms by your target protein intake per kilogram. Remember, protein also provides 4 calories per gram. Dietary fats are crucial for hormone production, nutrient absorption, and protecting your organs. They also provide a concentrated source of energy. Fats should typically comprise 20–35% of your total daily calories. Prioritize healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil. To calculate your fat grams, multiply your total daily calorie needs by your desired fat percentage. Since fats provide 9 calories per gram, divide the resulting calorie number by 9. Before calculating macronutrients, you need to know your total daily energy expenditure, or TDEE. This is the total number of calories your body burns in a day. Your BMR is the number of calories your body needs to perform basic functions at rest. This includes breathing, circulation, and cell production. Several formulas can estimate BMR, with the Mifflin-Sate-Gior equation being widely used for its accuracy. For men, the Mifflin-Sate-Gior equation is 10x weight in kg, plus 6.225x height in cm, 5x age in years, plus 5. For women, it's 10x weight in kg, plus 6.25x height in cm, 5x age in years, 161. Once you have your BMR, you multiply it by an activity factor to account for your daily movement. This factor ranges from 1.2 for sedentary individuals to 1.9 for those who are extremely active. For example, if you exercise 3 to 5 days a week, your activity factor might be 1.55. Multiply your BMR by this factor to get your TDEE. This TDEE is your starting point for calorie intake. While macronutrients provide energy, micronutrients are the unsung heroes that enable countless bodily functions. These include vitamins and minerals, which are needed in smaller quantities but are equally vital. The recommended dietary allowances, or RDAs, are established by health organizations to indicate the average daily level of intake sufficient to meet the nutrient requirements of nearly all healthy individuals. These are excellent starting points for micronutrient goals. You can find RDAs for various vitamins and minerals on government health websites or reputable nutrition databases. These values are typically presented as daily amounts in milligrams or micrograms. The best way to meet your micronutrient needs is by consuming a wide variety of nutrient-dense foods. Focus on colorful fruits and vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats. A diverse diet naturally provides a broad spectrum of vitamins and minerals. For example, leafy greens are rich in vitamin K and folate, while citrus fruits provide vitamin C. Nuts and seeds offer essential minerals like magnesium and zinc. Eating a rainbow of foods helps ensure you don't miss out on crucial micronutrients. While a balanced diet should be your primary source of micronutrients, supplementation can be beneficial in certain situations. This might include addressing specific deficiencies, supporting particular health conditions, or filling gaps in a restricted diet. Always consult with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplement regimen. They can help identify potential deficiencies and recommend appropriate dosages, ensuring safety and effectiveness. Calculating your ideal daily nutrients is just the first step. Consistent application and tracking are key to success. This involves planning your meals and monitoring your intake. Once you have your target macronutrient and calorie numbers, plan your meals accordingly. This doesn't mean eating the same thing every day, but rather understanding how different foods contribute to your daily totals. Use online databases or nutrition apps to look up the macronutrient content of common foods. This will help you build meals that align with your goals. Batch cooking can also be a great strategy to ensure you have healthy options readily available. Nutrition tracking apps can be incredibly helpful tools for monitoring your intake. They allow you to log your food and beverages, providing real-time feedback on your calorie and macronutrient consumption. Many apps also track micronutrients, giving you a comprehensive overview of your daily nutrition. Consistent tracking helps you identify patterns, make adjustments, and stay accountable to your goals. Your nutritional needs are not static. They evolve with changes in your activity level, body weight, and health status. Regularly reassess your goals and adjust your nutrient calculations as needed. If you increase your exercise intensity, you might need more carbohydrates and protein. If you lose weight, your overall calorie needs will likely decrease. Be flexible and willing to adapt your plan for continued progress. Even with the best intentions, some common mistakes can hinder your progress. Being aware of these can help you navigate your nutritional journey more effectively. Supplements are designed to supplement a healthy diet, not replace it. Relying too heavily on pills and powders instead of whole foods can lead to missing out on beneficial fiber, antioxidants, and other compounds found naturally in food. Always prioritize whole unprocessed foods as the foundation of your diet. Supplements should only be used to fill specific gaps or address diagnosed deficiencies under professional guidance. While numbers are important, listening to your body's natural hunger and fullness signals is equally crucial. Eating mindfully helps prevent overeating or undereating, even when following a calculated plan. Pay attention to how different foods make you feel. Do they provide sustained energy? Do they leave you feeling satisfied? Adjust your food choices based on these cues, alongside your calculated targets. For complex health conditions, specific athletic goals, or persistent challenges, consulting a registered dietitian or a qualified nutritionist is invaluable. They can provide personalized advice and support. A professional can help fine-tune your nutrient calculations, address underlying issues, and offer strategies tailored to your unique circumstances. Their expertise can be a game changer for your health journey. Calculating your ideal daily nutrients is a powerful step towards taking control of your health. By understanding your calorie needs, balancing your macronutrients, and prioritizing micronutrient-rich foods, you can optimize your body's performance and well-being. Remember, this is a journey of learning and adaptation. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent, and don't hesitate to seek expert advice when needed. Your body is a complex machine, and providing it with the right fuel is the ultimate act of self-care. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on nutrition, health, and fitness optimization. Have you tried this health tip? Share your experience below and pin a comment, and please share your favorite healthy foods. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.